Life isn't about finding yourself. It's about creating yourself. I went through a lot of different inspirations. I was looking at Monet, I was looking at pop art, and then I decided to kind of strip it all back. I wanted to basically share my reasoning behind why I actually even wear makeup. When I was younger, I was very, very shy. I couldn't overcome a few things, so instead, I just kind of cover it up with makeup, and through that, I've kind of overcome things in my own life personally, I guess. And now I feel like I have just kind of done like a full U-turn pretty much. I'm confident in most aspects of my life now, and I genuinely think it is because of makeup. Basically, it's kind of like a very, very short story of how I kind of came to be, I guess. So I created the rainbow eye look. I guess it was kind of like the main focus of the entire look. I used the Ultimate Shadow Palette in Bright, then applied Worth the Hype mascara and Wicked Lashes in Risque. So I think the paint by numbers concept is one of the most basic, ways that you start creating anything. It kind of is like a little show of how I have progressed, I guess, artistically. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to add a lot more intensity to the look, make it a little bit more messy, because even though obviously it was, not necessarily a standard everyday look, it was still quite neat and quite like cohesive, and I just wanted to kind of throw in a few more colors. Like I put pink just on my inner corner as well, just to kind of mix it up a bit and basically blow it out a lot more. So I then, as the kind of look went on, I did sort of add to my body and kind of went down my neck, down my chest, down my arms. And so that was kind of like extending onto it and obviously adding to the body, and also adds with like the sort of manic side where the paint's going everywhere. I wanted to add the actual paint splodges onto my body as well, just to, like, I'm putting color on myself, and it's kind of like a celebration, I guess. The art of makeup, I guess, is quite a personal thing to me. In all honesty, it's just how I kind of build myself up and kind of become the person that I always wanted to be. Through makeup, I have kind of just transformed myself into what you see now.